What are you about to see, Madeline?
Tinkerbell! 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 Tinkerbell!
Is this what you like before I come home from work? Not really. Alright, Maddie, ready?
Oh man, hi there! Oh man, you're energetic. She's energetic.
Thank you.
Oh, I like your polka dotted pants. You know, one time I made a ladybug paint. And it was my job to paint all the ladybugs. You know what happened? I painted by accident. You know what? All the ladybugs smell blue. Have you ever seen a blue ladybug? Well, I didn't think that I fixed all of them, so there might be a couple blue ones. Price is right. I've never heard of that before. What's the price?
Scoot in closer, Maddie. Big smile.
You're teaching me a lot of things today.